Hello dear children. So today we'll discuss about the 8.2 chapter, that is the little bully. Now in this chapter already we have discussed like what is chapter and about whom the chapter is. The chapter is about a boy who is very naughty and we can also call him bully. Is actually a word. It means the behavior, bad behavior, who is pinching and troubling others. So the boy is here who is troubling the friends, and we have seen the story exactly how it goes. Now what we'll do, we'll talk about the textbook exercise of this chapter so that it will be easy for you to feel and solve the textbook exercises. Now dear children, you can see there are some new words here which we always write after the chapter in notebook. So like bruise we have, injury by blow to body, then horrid means terrible, hoarse it means rough and deep sounding, pincer we have, it's a gripping tool, then we have stalk, that is main stem, and nip it means pinching. Alright, so these are the new words that we found in this textbook in this chapter. Now dear children, we have to tick the correct answer in this given questions. Look at the first question. Now I'll suggest you also to have your textbook with you and please solve the exercises. Whichever answer I'm telling you, please tick in your textbook as well. So we have a first question. Why did all the children hate Hari? So there are the options: because he would not talk to anyone, because he always pinch them, and because he loves stealing their foods. The answer is second, because he always pinched them. He was the boy who was expert in pinching. Second question, nobody took Hari's hand, nobody went near him, nobody played with him. This shows that Hari had many friends, few friends, no friends. Actually nobody is going to him, so the answer will be no friends. So what you will do, you'll be ticking the answers which are correct here. Let's go for number third question. Which of the following actions would make friendly person? Write them down. So we have to find out the actions which the other person will make very much friendly. So respecting other people, yes, definitely yes, you can tick on this. Respecting other people, that's good. When you respect the other, you will get respect, means what? You will be friendly to them. Eating a small child's tiffin, no, we cannot do this. Then calling people rude names, no. Pushing a smaller boy and making him cry, no. Being helpful to everyone, yes, we can do this. Helping your classmate in school, yes, we can do this. Mocking at friends and hurting their feelings, no. And protecting a weaker person, yes. So we can take on this option as well. Protecting means you have to help, protect the boy or person who is very weak. So these actions will make a friendly person. This all five or four sentences you have to write in this given blanks here. Now let's check the next point, vocabulary. Now what you will do in vocabulary, you have to write the opposite words, means they have given the option, the puzzle word we have, and grading what we'll do. In this blank, we'll write the opposite words or closest to the being opposite of the word given below. Example like smile they have given. Now smile, opposite if you say, then cry it will be. But here the option is not like that. Alright, it's beginning with S. So the answer will be scowl. S-C-O-W-L. S-C-O-W-L. Scowl means crying, displeasure, not happy. So here smile, that means happy. So here unhappy. Good. Number 2 will go for happy. Then here it will be miserable. Correct. Your answer will be here miserable. Second answer. Number 3 will go for quiet. That's a word. Then opposite of it, noisy. The answer will be noisy. Number 4th we have strong. Then here opposite, the answer will be weak. Strong, weak. And then we have punish. And punish opposite is reward. Alright. So dear children, this will be the answers for the opposite words in that grid. Particularly you have to write them down. Now let's look at the next second question. Hari was pinched till he was black and blue. Now what do you mean by black and blue here? So Hari fell down in pain? No. There were bruises on his body. Yes, that is correct. Hari painted himself in colors. No. Hari had a black and blue shirt. No. So the option second. Okay. Option second is correct here. That is, there were bruises on his body. Alright. Let's go for number third question. I shan't pinch anyone anymore. So shan't means, these are actually contractions. We call them short forms. So shan't is actually a short form of shall not. So shall not is the full form and shan't is short form, which we call contraction as well. Now number fourth question, give the full form of, like, won't we have? Can you guess won't full form? Yeah, that can be correct. Will not. Will not means won't. Then weren't it is, so it will be were not. Wouldn't, so would not. And couldn't, could not. Have you got that? Okay, good. Will not, were not, could not, and would not. Okay. Now here, number 5. A girl was sitting quietly beside him, means a boy, and Hari leapt to his feet, means he lifted his feet up and crying loudly. So the words quietly and loudly tells us how an action is being done. It means what? When the word tells you that how the action has happened, it is called as adverb. Correct? When the word describe about the verb, it is called as adverb. So here, how a girl was sitting? Sitting is the action. How a girl was sitting? She was sitting quietly. So quietly is the word describing the action of sitting. That's the first point. And second point is loudly. How is he crying? Loudly. So loudly is what here? Adverb, which we also call them ly words. They are describing the particular action of a verb. It is called as adverb. Now we have some examples here. Find 5 more words ending in ly which denote how something is done. So to find out 5 words, here actually I have taken only 3 because the marking was not coming to it. So you can write all 5. Now you can write many more examples there, like slowly, cleverly, smartly, foundly, brightly. Alright, many words are coming there. So you can write that all there in this column. Okay. Now, I hope you have got this exercises clearly. Now let's go to the next point. We have some more words here. Add ly to the following words. Okay. Clear. So clearly we'll write Mary, merrily. Here you'll remove y and write I there. Weary we have, that is looking awkward. Then double we have, we'll make it doubly here. Ly just will add, remove e. Then dreary we have, dreary means that is somewhat bold, we can say. Brightly, badly, and fondly. So now can you make sentences with these words? So dear children, this will be homework for you. You need to make the sentence. Example like, I can see the scene clearly, or I can see the TV clearly, I can see the screen clearly. So you can see that I was dancing merrily, I can see brightly. Alright, so these are the examples that you can make it here in this given lines. Make your own examples and underline these ly words. These ly words will be adverbs here. Alright, then next we have fun with sound. Now fun with sound is here. Look at the P and F sound is there. P and F. Like please, okay, prick, then pinch and punish. So when we say this word, the P sound is coming. When we say this fat, fur, okay, it's a fricative sounds. When there is a friction in your tongue, it's called as bilabial tongue as well. Let's see that carefully. Fat, fruit, fell, forgotten, fur. Alright, fur is coming there. F we call it, and P is quite different. Sometimes the children pronounce P and F same only, but make a note of that. Palm is there, pear, proud, and parade. Look at that next. F sound, farm, fair, prawn, and fish. Alright. Now let's complete the blank with rhyming words given here and you practice loud. So you can write the rhyming words here which are given, like bruise we have cruise, creature, feature, carriage, marriage, teachers, preachers, brown, dawn, cow, wow, cow. Alright, so these will be all examples. You can do it, and the remaining part of this exercise we'll see in part 2. Thank you.